Are you getting the couldn't import error in CapCut on your PC? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through the fixes. Step 1. Check file format. CapCut supports common formats like MP4, MOV, and MP3. If your file is in an unsupported format, you'll need to convert it before importing. Step 2. Rename the file. Sometimes special characters or symbols in the file name cause import errors. Rename your video or audio file using only letters and numbers. Step 3. Move the file location. Place the file on your desktop or in a simple folder without long paths or unusual characters. CapCut sometimes struggles with complex folder structures. Step 4. Check file corruption. Try opening your file in another media player. If it doesn't play properly, the file may be corrupted and you'll need to re-download or re-export it. Step 5. Clear CapCut cache. Go to Settings in CapCut and clear cache data. This can fix temporary issues preventing imports. Step 6. Update CapCut. Make sure you're running the latest version of CapCut for PC. Updates often fix bugs related to importing. Step 7. Run CapCut as administrator. Right-click on the CapCut icon, select Run as Administrator, and then try importing again. This gives the app full access to your files. Step 8. Reinstall CapCut. If none of these steps work, uninstall CapCut completely and reinstall the newest version from the official website or Microsoft Store. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the couldn't import error in CapCut PC. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.